Process verification in food manufacturing. Today, we're diving into the crucial world of verification in food safety. Stick around to find out how verification ensures the highest standards of safety in the food we consume. Let's get started. Verification in food safety. You may have heard the term verification in relation to food safety, but what does it actually mean? Verification is a process that ensures that the food safety plan put in place by food manufacturers is properly followed in preventing hazards, meeting regulatory requirements. Why verification is important? Verification ensures that the measures implemented by food manufacturers are consistently followed throughout the production process. By conducting regular verifications, potential risks can be identified and addressed promptly, ensuring the safety of consumers and preventing any adverse effects on public health. The role of third-party audits. One common form of verification in food safety is third-party auditing. This involves independent organizations assessing food manufacturers' processes, facilities, and documentation to ensure compliance with recognized standards and regulations. Third-party audits provide an unbiased evaluation and help maintain consumer trust by ensuring transparency and accountability. Implementing verification procedures. So, how do food manufacturers go about implementing verification procedures? It starts with establishing clear criteria and standards that must be met to ensure food safety. Regular assessments and testing are then conducted to verify compliance with these criteria, ensuring that any potential hazards are identified and addressed promptly. Types of verification in food safety. There are several types of verification methods employed in the food industry. One common method is environmental monitoring, where samples are taken from the production environment to evaluate the presence of potential contaminants. Another method is product testing, which involves analyzing samples to detect the presence of allergens, pathogens, or chemical residues. See challenges and benefits of verification. While verification plays a crucial role in food safety, it does come with its fair share of challenges. Inconsistencies in equipment calibration, human errors, and the complexity of supply chains can make the verification process challenging. However, the benefits outweigh the challenges as verification helps maintain consumer trust, increase brand reputation, and safeguard public health. The bottom line. To wrap it up, verification in food safety is a necessary and ongoing process that ensures the highest standards of safety in the food we consume. From third-party audits to environmental monitoring and product testing, every step is taken to guarantee that the food we enjoy is safe, wholesome, and compliant with regulations. Thank you for watching today's video on verification in food safety. We hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of the steps taken to ensure the safety of our food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more food-related content. Remember, verification is the backbone of food safety.